In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up payments on Gumroad so you can easily withdraw your money. Whether you're a content creator, an artist, or an entrepreneur selling products online, having a streamlined payment process is essential for your business, and Gumroad makes it pretty straightforward. Let's jump in and get that set up. Once you're logged in, we'll need to navigate to the settings area to set up your payment information. So look for the settings option. It's typically represented with a gear or wrench icon, which should be easy to spot. Click on Settings, and you'll be directed to a new page where you can manage various aspects of your account. It's all laid out in a straightforward way to help you find everything you need. Now, on the left-hand side menu, find and click on Payments. It's here where you'll be able to enter your banking information so Gumroad can send you your hard-earned money. You'll have two options for receiving payments, a bank account or PayPal. Each has its own benefits depending on your needs. If you prefer to receive your payments via PayPal, start by clicking on the PayPal option. PayPal is especially popular, and there's good reason for that. Gumroad will guide you through the process of linking your PayPal account to your Gumroad profile, ensuring your transactions are smooth and secure. PayPal offers some advantages like fee transparency and the ease of handling international transfers, making it a solid choice for many. Once you've selected PayPal, you'll need to log into your PayPal account to give Gumroad the necessary permissions. This is straightforward, but make sure you have your PayPal login credentials handy. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete this step. This may include setting some preferences for automatic transactions, so read through each prompt carefully. It's important to go over the details so everything is set exactly how you want it, and that's pretty much it. You are now ready to receive payments effortlessly from Gumroad into your PayPal account. This setup will ensure you can focus on creating and selling your products while Gumroad handles the financial transactions seamlessly for you. Having this setup allows you to dedicate more time to your core activities without worrying about the back-end payment processing. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other videos for more helpful tips on managing your online business. We're here to help you navigate through the world of online entrepreneurship with ease and confidence.